We finished our breakfast and we came to One World area where we're going to take like a little boat that's gonna take us to one of the temples we really liked last time we came to Bangkok. So yeah, that's pretty much our plan for today. We're going to walk around a bit and visit that temple. And the station, the BTS station is called Chitlong. So that's pretty much where we came to from on that station where we're located. Here is a bit of a Bangkok vibe. It's a pretty busy street, but downtown area is usually pretty busy anyways. Lots of cars. I think last time we came here there were many motorbikes. I would say this is chaotically organized Bangkok traffic. CentralWorld shopping center from the outside. And as you can see, it's a very nice and sunny day today. Sky is blue. I don't think it's a Happy New Year yet, but here is a Christmas tree. First time we came to Bangkok, we pretty much came straight to this area of CentralWorld. And I think first fruit we bought was actually from this supermarket instead of local farmers market or whatever. And this is what we thought is a local market, but yeah, it's actually very touristy and very fancy market. So it's not like how real Thai markets look like. But yeah, it still looks pretty cool. And there are some durians ahead of me. Probably very pricey. Noisy here.
Super nice.
So this is a modern Bangkok. We do like old town a bit more.
That's where we're heading now.
So this is how local transportation looks like in Bangkok. Well, some of it. This is a local boat. The price is what? How much was it?
It's supposed to be 12 baht.
12 baht to our destination? Okay.
Yeah, but it's not far from here.
Yeah, probably like 15 minutes to Khao San area, or rather the temple we're going to first. And the name of the temple is what?
Wat Saket.
Wat Saket, yeah. So that's where we're going before Khao San Road. It's so beautiful in its ugliness. look at those very old buildings.
And it smells good.
Yeah, I'm not even sure if it's safe to live here, but I'm pretty sure people are living here, right? The tiniest pedestrian sidewalk, well, though I think it's not really a sidewalk, but we managed. Oh, and this is a Songteo, a very old one, and those couple of fancy tuk-tuks on the way. Yeah, that's why I like Old Town, because it has this vibe of like a real Thailand, like a real vibey Thailand. We found the entrance. Oh yeah, we've been here a couple years ago and I loved it so much. So we decided to film it again properly now, not on just phones. Lots of fish. And
they're bigger than Casper.
They're huge. I don't remember this road from last time. I don't think some of this was here. Last time we were here a couple years ago, I think it was lower season. Well, it is still low season now because we're still in October, but there are more people today than previously. It's still a very nice and I guess less touristy temple. This is pretty cool. I remember those.
This is for good luck.
Yeah, we need to use this gong. Bring us some good luck. I don't think you're supposed to do it like this.
Huh?
I don't think you're supposed to do it like this, don't know? I don't know. That was
It was scary a little.
it was a scary sound, not like a good luck sound. Like a true musician.
Like a professional.
That's exactly like it was last time. Thai vibey. Oh, I do remember those stairs. When it's plus 33 degrees outside and sun is shining, that's especially nice. But it's still pretty cool. It's still Bangkok, the Bangkok we love. There was a lighting. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna shower so badly very soon. It's unbelievable how just an hour ago it was very nice and sun was shining, but now everything is so dark. So I think that side is the downtown, right? Where we came from?
No, I don't think so.
But the sky rises are over there. Where else would they be? Yeah, I remember this temple because of this view. It's like also a free observation area. Well, not exactly free, but included in a temple visit.
You know that this place was used as a crematorium 3 centuries ago?
Really? No idea. So who would they burn here? Like everyone? Or just sane people?
Oh, it was a cholera epidemic or whatever it's called.
Oh, really? And they were...
They used like to burn corpse here. Corpses. Not a great story, but
so
still.
then I guess it has bad energy.
Well, there are still some
Or at
ghosts
least-
here, as some people say.
Oh, really? That's interesting. No, I didn't know that.
That's why they probably have all these bells to kind of clear your
Wake
bed.
them up? Yeah, it's gonna rain. It's a gorgeous place. I like it because of the view as well. It's like it's on a hill and it looks so nice from the top. It was tallest place in Bangkok before they started building all those sky rises, I guess.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll go all the way there.
That's where the Khao San Road is.
I mean, not be all the way.
Yeah, it's
20 minutes walk.
basically old Bangkok is what we're looking at right now. And that's the Bangkok we actually love the most. Not the new one, but the very old one because of its vibe. It's poor. Some buildings are so old, but they have the charm. And right there is, that's how you shoot your pants. I like how in Buddhism there is so much gold, but it actually looks pretty nice in a temple. wondering what they're holding. So they're holding this blanket or something, like the wrapped piece of fabric.
Maybe it's remains of a relative.
They all same color though, but I don't know. With the music like this, like the dancing faces. So what's down there? There are like more temples. Like there is like a
I
big
think it's
one.
still part of the same.
Structure like this one?
Yeah. Not the structure, but it's a same temple. This should be part of the Golden Mount.
It's tricky stairs. So last time we were here, we couldn't get to this point because there were so many people inside. I think there was some sort of a ceremony, so I assume this is probably the main Buddha. I love this place. Do you know why some of their Buddhas are sitting and some are lying down? We should probably research a bit. Because yeah, their big laying down Buddha in another temple is very popular. It's like a huge statue. It's so windy. She's a So where are we going next?
We're going to Khao San Road.
This time we're going to Khao San Road. Well, for me, it's gonna be my third time to Khao San Road. The first time was like 10 years ago. Second time was when Alex and I came to Bangkok a couple years ago. And this is the third time. And the reason we're going there, we actually not gonna probably see many tourists because it's still 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's not gonna be vibey and busy. But there is a nice little spot we really liked last time we were there, and we enjoyed a couple beers there. And the street itself was very nice, and I really want to film it this time as well. Now they have proper equipment. So yeah, let's go there.
Let's go.
Let's go. Surprisingly, there are more people during the day than last time we were here in October. So it's pretty lively and touristy this time. I don't think even at night it was very crowded when we were here, but I'm pretty sure this time it's gonna be a crowd. Yeah, many people. I like how they put all those green ornaments representing Chang, which is local Thai beer, and it added some vibe. So it's not a walking street right now because cars are still passing by. But yeah,
Well, they closed the road.
in the evening. I have I don't know who he's talking to, but it's a nice sound сопровождение, how you say. This is another street we're going to, close to Khao San Road. Yeah, locals are bugging quite a bit on Khao San Road. Well, still not comparable to other countries, it's still Thailand. Khao San Road is way too touristic. It has the vibe though. No, thank you. Yeah, see, like everyone's offering all the excursions. They don't know that we already been to so many of them. And to us, it's not the first time, not even a second time. So yeah. Oh, I think that's the street, right?
I feel like here it's even more people than Khao San Road.
Yeah, because it's a bit more chilled. It doesn't have this kind of market section. Well, there are still some shops, but overall this is more like a bars street. Yeah, we go into a bit more quiet section of the street. Apparently that's the floating market where we never ended up going to. Well, there are actually few in Bangkok. And this one is something new, like a Hanoi style. Oh, thank you. No, thank you, thank you. Yeah, lots of attractions. We have just recalled that we actually did our first foot massage on this street. And Alex was hoping for a nice and cute Thai lady to do the massage, but that lady was for me, and he ended up doing massage with a local Thai man, which was not expected type of massage.
That's not the kind of experience I was expecting.
But it was still nice massage though, right? He has...
I couldn't tell because I was thinking about how not to laugh or do something like that. I don't know.
It's a very nice spot right here. Yeah, probably not so cheap. Alex asked me why I'm filming everything, including him, but this is such a nice street. This is such a nice street. I'm trying to find that cafe that we, like that one? Oh yeah, it's probably that one.
Okay, no.
The street has a vibe, but it also has a price associated with the vibe. Yeah. I don't know, it's very cute to walk around. It's hard to stop filming because this Asian vibe is so different from Western, like from Canada. Even though I've seen it so many times already. This is so cool.